Alright, everybody. We are making progress, and I figured I would show you the progress of us shoveling ourselves out by one single shovel. This is our tunnel to the, this is the tunnel of the walkway, which is driveway, our poor tractor, the car. This is how far we've gotten so far with the shovel. Walk with me here and I will show you everything we've done by shovel. And you will see the shovel up here as well. That way y'all know I'm not lying. And I heard we have more coming, so guess we'll do it now, and then we'll do another round when the snow comes in again. Frigid ass cold, I'm telling you. We've got a good bit done. It'll still take another couple of days to get fully out of here. And that is our big snow mound that we put where the extra snow. Let me get down here so y'all can see how deep this shit is. Look at that. Look how deep that is. That is our shovel. And that is our poor mailbox. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. We did make it to the road. Again, everyone stay safe out there. Love you all. Just keeping you up on the progress.